Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today, we will discuss the various types of networking, exploring how they function, their unique characteristics, and their practical applications. Whether you're interested in understanding the connections within your home, the infrastructure of a global corporation, or the technologies behind secure remote access, this overview will provide valuable insights into the diverse world of networking. We'll cover everything from the intimate connections of personal area networks, PANs, to the expansive reach of wide area networks, WANs, and beyond. Let's dive in. Networking refers to the practice of connecting computers and other devices to share resources and communicate with each other. There are several types of networking, each serving different purposes and operating in various environments. Here's a breakdown of the main types of networking along with examples. What is LAN? A LAN connects devices within a limited geographic area, such as a home, office, or campus. It is typically used for sharing resources like files, printers, and internet connections among devices in close proximity. Example, in an office building, all computers, printers, and servers are connected through a LAN, allowing employees to share files and use shared printers easily. What is WAN? A WAN covers a broad geographic area, often connecting multiple LANs across cities, countries, or even continents. It is used to connect remote offices or branch locations of an organization. Example, a multinational corporation with offices in New York, London, and Tokyo uses a WAN to connect all its locations, enabling seamless communication and resource sharing across the globe. What is MAN? A MAN spans a city or large campus, bridging the gap between a LAN and a WAN. It is often used by organizations or municipalities to connect various buildings or locations within a city. Example, a university campus with multiple buildings spread across a city might use a MAN to connect its various departments and facilities, allowing students and staff to access shared resources across the campus. What is PAN? A PAN is a small-scale network designed for personal use, typically covering a few meters. It connects personal devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Example, a Bluetooth connection between a smartphone and a wireless headset is an example of a PAN. It allows for communication and data transfer between the two devices within a short range. What is WLAN? A WLAN is similar to a LAN but operates wirelessly using radio frequencies. It provides network access to devices without the need for physical cables. Example, a Wi-Fi network in a coffee shop allows customers to connect their laptops and smartphones to the internet without using wired connections. What is VPN? A VPN creates a secure, encrypted connection over a less secure network, such as the internet. It is used to protect data and provide remote access to private networks. Example, an employee working remotely can use a VPN to securely access the company's internal network and resources as if they were physically in the office. What is SAN? A SAN is a specialized network designed to provide high-speed, low-latency access to storage devices. It is used primarily in data centers and enterprise environments. Example, a large data center might use a SAN to connect multiple storage devices to servers, enabling fast and efficient data access and management. What is cloud network? A cloud network uses cloud computing infrastructure to provide networking services over the internet. It allows for scalable, on-demand access to network resources and services. Example, services like Amazon Web Services, Oz, or Microsoft Azure offer cloud networking solutions that allow businesses to deploy and manage virtual networks, storage, and computing resources in the cloud. Each type of network serves different needs and scales, ranging from personal, small-scale networks to large, global infrastructures.